Good Tuesday morning, everybody. I'm up, 8:30, looking out. The weather's absolutely horrendous. Somebody's stole the world. It's all foggy and misty and rainy. I don't fancy going out there using power tools in weather like this, so I'm going to have a rest today and continue on with my deck tomorrow. So, yeah, the weather's definitely taken a turn for the worst. But never mind, we had a fantastic summer. Still got a bit of a summer left, so hopefully it'll get better next week. Well, until then, I'm going to have a restful day and pick a film or something to watch, because it's rainy and horrible. Looks like the drain can't take all that rain. Got a bit of a flood. At least it's going down, I think. Oh well, never mind. Okay guys, it's beer making time. I'm going to make myself some Winter Sun IPA in my pinter. So I'll get on and get that done. I don't know how long it takes. I shall have to read the instructions. Okay guys, and there we go. That's one Winter Sun brewing. I'll have to follow the app now for how long it takes. The minimum brewing time's 5 days and 3. Okay guys, I've no idea if I recorded any of that. That's the problem with buying aftermarket batteries. You don't get a gauge to tell you how full or empty they are. Anyway, that's that brewing. The time says brew for 5 days, but I'm going to leave it longer. So, let's see how that one comes out. It's supposed to be 5.5%, that's going to be good. Okay, it's time to start getting the tea ready. We're having sausage and mash tonight with onion gravy, so I'll get on with that. Okay guys, that'll be enough for tea tonight and lunch tomorrow. So I'll cook that up when Michelle texts me she's leaving. 30 minutes later, bangers and mash. Hi guys, Amazon have been. We're not managed to open it first time. Robert Carlyle as Hitler. That one of yours? You ordered?
I ordered them, but it's a DVD, so it's yours.
That's fair enough. So we'll be watching Hitler, because it's part of your research, isn't it? If you can't do murder, do mass murder. Moving on.